How to enable or disable audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the media pool where your audio and video clips are stored. Next, select both the video and audio clips, then right-click on them in the media pool. From the context menu, choose Sync Audio and then select Auto Sync Audio. You will see options such as syncing based on waveforms and timecode. If you want DaVinci Resolve to automatically sync based on the waveform of your audio, choose the waveform option. This is the most common method when you are working with separate audio recordings. You can also sync audio directly from the timeline, drag both the video and audio clips onto the timeline, then manually adjust your positions to roughly match. After that, right-click the clips and select Link Clips to keep them connected and synced. If you want to disable audio sync, just right-click the linked clip in the timeline and uncheck Link Clips. This will separate the audio from the video and return them to their original independent state. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable audio sync in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.